budgie party in the sky. Woo-hoo! 6 little budgies doing Bhangra tonight.